Vant Membership Review 2025 Pros and Cons, honest and unbiased. You won't believe how membership platforms have evolved in 2025. Vant offers exclusive perks, discounts and community access, but is it worth joining? The surprising truth is value. Most people get this wrong by assuming membership programs are only for luxury brands. Vant focuses on lifestyle benefits, including discounted services, early access to events, and curated content for members. Another advantage is convenience. You won't believe what happens next when you see Vant's app. Members can track rewards, discover local offers, and manage subscriptions all in one place, making the experience seamless and user-friendly. Vant also emphasizes community, offering members access to networking events, online forums, and expert advice, which can enhance personal growth and social connections. However, there are cons. Some perks may not appeal to everyone, and membership costs can add up if benefits are underutilized. Additionally, offers may vary by location, limiting access for some users. In conclusion, Vant membership in 2025 is ideal for individuals seeking lifestyle perks, community engagement, and convenience in one platform. While cost and location limitations exist, the curated benefits and easy-to-use app make it a worthwhile option for those who take full advantage of the membership.